today we are going to see how to create Angular application and consume .NET Core API inside of Angular application. So in the previous section we have seen that creating clear architecture in .NET Core API. So now we are going to the front end folder. We are able to see there is a front end. So inside that what we do, we will create ng new. First what I will do, I will just create check npm -version. So let me check, version is 6.13.1. okay, let's create just before that I will remove this folder from here. Make sure that the folder is removed. ng new. If you go to that Angular website, and we can see how to create our first application. Okay, so it will provide. So we need to install npm install Angular CLI. So this one I have already installed it. So let me try to install again. npm install -g at angular/CLI. So what it means, we will install the Angular CLI package globally. So if you provide -g, it will install the system wide. So I will try to make sure it is working. So it will take some time to finish. After that we will create our new application. Okay, ng new. Okay, it is asking to send no. Okay, so after that, so it is updated. So ng new front end, this is our application name. So I will create, sorry, ng -version. Let us check the version, why it is going like this. There is no Angular version. Okay, let us verify. What happened? Command is not found. Okay, let me open the bash and I will point to that bash. Okay, and we'll see cd -l. Okay, so here ng new front end. Yeah, it is asking to create a router. Yes, so in our application we will have multiple routing. We will have routing. So we will for now we are using the style sheet format. Which style sheet format would you like to use? So for we can select CSS, so it will create a folder for us, all the default files. So these are the default files for Angular application. So here angular.json and package.json, these two files are very important files, and I will explain these files and its purpose. Okay, so for now it will take some time to load all the dependencies. It will automatically create the files and create the .NET node modules. So here you can see the new folder .NET the new folder front end is created, and the inner side we can see the multiple applications. So let us wait for this npm install to complete, and meanwhile what we can see, we will see the purpose of each and every files inside the Angular application. So here the first and foremost we need to check this package.json. So here we can come and see our application name. What is the name of the application? So we provide the front end name. So this is the our front end application project name, like application name, whatever the name that we need to provide, we can provide. And here there is a version of the application, and there are some scripts which is by default it is there. So when we need to run an application, we can come here and we can mention the command. This is just like we are running in the terminal, and we are executing the commands. The same way we can use we can optimize these commands, or we can utilize this command to serve our purpose. So this one will have this we call it, this will run in the behind .NET Angular CLI. So Angular CLI will recognize all these commands and execute the execute the scripts inside of these commands. Okay, here we can see dependencies. Dependencies are the dependencies means whatever the external libraries that we need to use, we can take it from npm package manager, and we can install it. All these dependencies are mentioned here in dependencies folder. So if I want to add bootstrap here, so I can take the npm package of bootstrap and I can install, and it will be added here, automatically added here. So this is highly dependent based on the framework. So here development dependency, these are required only in the time of development. So these are the helping dependencies to develop the application. Okay, so here we are successfully able to install the Angular, created the Angular application. So let us try to run that application. Here there is a Angular built-in build Angular. This is the new package included in 8.2 version. So this one will build will help to build the Angular application, and it will serve the website. So these are the each one have their own usage. And here if you can see Karma, Protractor, these are used for testing. Okay, we will go for in depth, and we are using TypeScript version 3.5.5. TypeScript language is a superset of JavaScript. So whatever we write the code, that will be writing in the TypeScript. Okay, so here if you can see the package once the install npm install is completed, it will create package-log.json. So whatever packages we mentioned here with that version number, everything will be maintained from here. So in this file we should not touch. Okay, so this file and node modules folder. So if you want to change anything, you need to run by the command itself. You should not modify this package-log.json file. We should not touch this file. If we will touch and make some modification, we will have a hard time to figure out the problem, where actually the problem comes. Okay, so the suggestion will be not to touch these two things. Okay, if you want, you can remove it and you can reinstall again. Okay, so here the angular json is the main part that we need to do it. One moment.